Maya were a Mesoamerican civilization, the first to develop writing. This culture is also known for its art, architecture, mathematics, and advances in astronomy. They developed the mathematical concept of the number zero in early times. At first, zero was used to indicate that there had been no astronomical observations for some time. Later, it became a number that could be used for calculations and was included in the texts for over 1,000 years, until its use was extinguished by the Spaniards' arrival. The Mayans were established in the region encompassing southern Mexico, most of Guatemala, Belize, and western Honduras and El Salvador. This region comprises the Yucatan Peninsula, the highlands of the Sierra Madre in Guatemala and El Salvador, and the lowlands in the Pacific coastal plain. During the early period, before 2000 BC, began the development of agriculture, and the population became established in sedentary villages that later became important cities. Maya made accurate observations of celestial bodies and recorded astronomical data of the movements of the Sun, Moon, Venus, and stars. The Mayan astronomy essentially served for astrological purposes. Maya astronomy did not study the universe for scientific reasons. It was rather used by priests to understand the cycles of the past and to project these cycles into the future, to make prophecies. They were indeed aware of the power of change of celestial bodies. Mayan priests refined their observations and recorded the passage of comets, eclipses, and movements of Venus, and then compared these with past events, assuming that similar events would happen in the future. The Mayans measured the Venus cycle of 584 days with a margin of error of just 2 hours. They also followed the movements of Jupiter, Mars, and Mercury. Venus was closely linked to war and to world destruction. We all remember when everybody talked of the 7 Mayan prophecies that announced change of era. The date was initially estimated for December 21 of the year 2012, although nothing finally happened. However, it is worth analyzing the content of these prophecies to see some coincidences with the announced return of Nibiru. The first Maya prophecy anticipates that the world of hatred and materialism will end, and with it will come the end of the current era. It is believed that the current system of life based on wealth accumulation is reaching a limit, mainly because it does not guarantee people happiness. The second Mayan prophecy tells us that all behavior of mankind will change rapidly as a result of powerful events. Some scholars have established the Mayan cycle in 5,125 years, although it's clear that this cycle may be different since the last prediction has not been fulfilled. The third prophecy predicts massive climatic, geological, and social changes. This is exactly what is expected to happen with the passage of Nibiru. The fourth prophecy predicts accelerated polarized melting far beyond its natural rhythm, compromising climate balance of the planet. This is recorded in historical charts of temperature and ocean's depth and is proven to be true. The fifth prophecy tells us that our civilization will be transformed with the planet and man to make way for a new reality of harmony. In this new era, spiritual values will be above material values. Mayan prophecy number 6 predicts that a comet that will endanger the very existence of man will appear in the coming years. This may be the upcoming passage of Nibiru. The seventh Mayan prophecy tells of the time when the solar system will leave the night to enter the dawn of the galaxy. This is nothing but the end of a cycle and the beginning of a new era. The Maya people were very wise and in an independent way could observe and predict celestial phenomena. These predictions support the very existence of Nibiru and that in more or less time will pass near the Earth, starting a new era.